Hi, Liz Vedrine here. I'm the instructor for this course. So this is a quick Module 3 intro video to kind of discuss what you can expect in Module 3, including content and kind of a breakdown of the module. So this module is all about probability. We're going to start off by discussing basic probabilities, interpreting basic probabilities, and understanding just in general what is probability, right? And then we're going to move on to a little more in depth, talking about what we call the multiplication rule and the addition rule. And then we're going to move on to the next set of content, which deals with probability distributions. And then the last thing is binomial probability distributions. Whenever you're calculating binomial probabilities, there are videos in the module that are very useful because you are expected to use the TI graphing calculator to calculate binomial probabilities. And so we're not going to be using formulas that are given in the textbook or formulas that are given if you view an example on MyStatLab. You don't need to use those formulas. You don't need to know them. You're going to be using the graphing calculator to calculate those binomial probabilities. So this entire module basically deals with probabilities and probability distributions. And interpreting values. And so just to kind of show you, here you have a book in your module, and each section deals with textbook readings. It has textbook readings if you're interested in reading the textbook, which I recommend. It has lecture notes, which are lecture notes that I've provided. And then the last part is in lecture videos. It has lecture videos that are either from the textbook or lecture videos that I've created myself. And so I recommend that you read and watch those before you begin your homework. Take notes. And then once you've done all that, you're ready to start your homework. Once you're done with your homework, you can come down, and here they have exam 2. So after you complete everything, here's an optional review. And then they also have an exam 2 that can be found on MyStatLab, which that review is required. You need a 70%, but this one is optional. It's just extra practice, recommended, very, very much recommended. And then at the end, you're going to have a Module 3 discussion, and you're going to have to answer a question that is posed, and it is a required assignment. So good luck with the module, and hope you do well.